are going to be putting this evaporating milk outside where all of the cracks are. And then we're going to polish it after. Now we're gonna go to the bottom, hopefully stay. Well, I think it would break at the bottom. So I'm gonna do the bottom last, and yeah. So let's keep on polishing. Let's try to get down to the bottom. Let's turn it around. Turn it this way. It's cracked. Right there. And then, yeah. And it's, voila, finished. And so, yeah. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below, subscribe, and yeah. Toodles!